This is Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to share top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I will demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition screen lock method. So launch settings, open passwords and security, tap at the fingerprint unlock rectangle, then choose what backup method you would like to use with the biometrical one, and then set it up. After that, we can start adding the fingerprint. So the sensor is located at the side power key. So just continuously lay and lift your finger on the scanner until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be, well, scanned. So do that however much takes it will need, or whatever much takes it will need, rather. And as you can see, it is done. So now I can start using my fingerprint to unlock the screen. So works just fine. Will not recognize other fingerprints, obviously. The next option is you can find it at the display section of settings. It is called the refresh rate, and basically this function provides you with an opportunity to set it to 60 or 120 Hz. The higher value will get you smoother animations and visual experience, as you can see from the preview, but at the same time it will drain more power. So if you would like to reduce your power consumption, set it to 60 Hz. If decreasing the battery usage does not concern you, you can just go for the better visuals. The next feature is the always on display and how you can set it up. So launch the same settings app, go for the always on display and lock screen category, then always on display, turn it on by toggling this switch. Then you can set the design that you would like to go with. There are quite a few pre-added themes or AOD styles. You can also create a custom one, upload the custom image if you would like to. I'll go with this one, let's say. Then do not forget to apply it, and that's how my AOD looks. So very great and useful feature if you would like to swiftly check what time it is, what date it is, perhaps how much battery you have left, or whether you have any new notifications. So without having to wake your display up. The next option that I wanted to show is how you can change or modify the home screen transition animation. So in order to do that, make the shrink and swipe at the home screen, go into its settings, and then open the transition effects list. After that, choose whatever animation you would like more. So I'll go with cube, then save, and here you have it. And fifth and final tip for today, this one is performance related. That's how you can very significantly improve the performance of your phone. So launch settings, go into additional settings section, then open the memory extension page. And basically memory extension, or as it can be also referred to, the RAM boost feature, works in the way that it allocates the certain amount of gigabytes from your internal storage and commands the system to use them as the random access memory. So basically you get bonus virtual RAM. So tap at the value of gigabytes you would like to retract from phone memory and add them to the virtual RAM bank, and reboot the device in order for those changes to be properly applied, and then you will get more RAM, which basically results in you being able to have more apps opened and multitask better simultaneously, and without overwhelming your system. So alrighty, that would be it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.